I got this American flag sticker for the back of my truck to put on the little sliding glass that's in the back window. So let's go ahead, open it up and check this thing out and then go put it on the truck. All right, so what you see here is the sticker itself. It's put on nice with a backing and everything to help you put this on easier. It also comes with an install guide that really goes detailed in through what you need to do to install this properly. And it gives you a little squeegee card here to get the bubbles out when you're putting it in. So let's go see how this thing looks on my truck. All right, to start this process, I cleaned off the little sliding window. I used just some paper towels and some soapy water. And then I just got an old t-shirt of mine to try to get as much lint and dust off of there as possible. So now I'm going to fit the sticker in there, which it fits in there nice and tight, but I've already tested it. It does fit in there real well. I'm going to get it fitted in there and start working on the process of getting it on the window. All right, so now I have the sticker placed in the window, and I'm going to peel back part of the sticker so I can take some of the paper off, and then I'm going to slowly squeegee the sticker onto the window. So the paper on this was cut in the middle, basically dividing the bottom half and the top half. So I pulled off the paper on the bottom half, and I got that on there nice and clean. It looks like it went on really well. Now I'm fixing to pull the paper off on the top half, and then I'm going to squeegee it up. So you can do it left to right, or you can do it up and down. This one is going to go up and down. All right, so it's all squished on. Now it's time to peel off the outside sticker. All right, check it out. What do you think? I think it turned out great. Looks really clean on this window. It's not too big and obnoxious, but it's there. It makes a statement. Very patriotic. I like it. It peeled off real easy. I pulled off the white paper, and that peeled off really easy. I do recommend pulling it slowly though, because you start going crazy, you could stretch the sticker or anything like that. So you pull it off nice and slow. And if you have any edges, like any of these little edges here, if any of them come up, you can use the little squeegee here to hold them down, and then you can pull it across and it holds them well. And then if you get anywhere, like I got on some of this, there is the rubber gasket is a little different in different places. So if you have that rubber gasket sticking up, you can do kind of like window tint, and again use the squeegee, stick it up underneath that rubber edge, and then just slowly work it up underneath the rubber edge. So that way, if there is any lingering edges of the sticker, they go up under the actual gasket, the seal. I think that looks really good. It's a matte black that matches, I mean, almost spot on the plastic that's above it and below it. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, give the video a thumbs up, please. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.